Here's one thing I did today as a Goldendoodle breeder. Today we are getting all the supplies ready for puppy go-home bags. We send home blankets and snuggle puppies to help them transition easier once they get home. So I cut open all the blankets and gathered the snuggle puppies, and it was time to let the puppies play with them. When the puppies play with the toys, it gets their scent on them and helps them sleep through the night at their new home. The puppies love playing with the blankets, especially love playing tug of war. Honey likes to lay on the huge pile of blankets too. She shows the puppies how to really play hard and shake the blanket. The snuggle puppies are so fun because the puppies can chew on their little ears or pull it around the nursery. I think they think it's just more brothers and sisters. I'm getting in as many snuggles as I can because in the next few days they'll head to their new homes and I am really going to miss them.